It's such a beautiful day.
Yes, I love this park.
Me too, the weather is perfect.
Let's walk to the playground.
Great idea. Wait,
What's wrong?
that little boy is crying.
I don't see his parents.
Let's go and help him. Hi, my name is Anna. What's your name?
My name is Ben.
Hi, Ben. Why are you crying?
I can't find my mommy.
Don't worry, we're going to help you. How old are you?
I'm 5.
Do you know your mom's name?
Her name is Sarah.
Do you know her phone number?
No,
That's okay.
Ben, where did you see your mom last?
near the playground.
Okay, we'll stay here with you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're very brave. Your mom is probably looking for you right now.
Do you think so?
Yes, I'm sure she is. Excuse me. This little boy is lost.
What's his name?
His name is Ben.
How old is he?
He's 5 years old.
Thank you. We'll make an announcement right away. Attention, please. If you're looking for a little boy named Ben, please come to the information desk. Thank you.
I hope my mommy hears that.
I'm sure she will.
Ben?
Mommy!
Oh, Ben, I was so worried.
I couldn't find you.
It's okay, you're safe now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We're happy we could help.
I don't know how to thank you.
Seeing you together again is enough.
Today was unexpected.
Yes, but I'm glad we stopped.
Sometimes a small act of kindness can make a big difference.
Exactly. Always help someone who needs it.
Ready for some ice cream now?
Absolutely. Let's go.